This video shows examples of solving quadratic equation by extracting the square root. So for example 1, let's say the given is m squared is equal to 81. So to solve this by extracting the square root, we need to get the square root of both sides of the equation. So for the left side, the square root will be cancelled in the exponent, and therefore that would be the square root of 81 is positive negative 9. To check the answer, let us substitute the computed values here. So let's say when m is equal to 9, let's substitute 9 to the given equation, m squared is equal to 81. So this would be 9 squared is equal to 81. Therefore, 81 is equal to 81. When m is equal to negative 9, this would be the checking. Substituting negative 9 to the variable m here, negative 9 squared is equal to 81. And it would also result to the same right side of the equation. Therefore, the solutions of m squared is equal to 81 are 9 and negative 9. Example 2. b squared minus 49 is equal to 0. So to solve this, let us transpose negative 49 to the right side of the equation, so making it positive 49. Getting the square root of both sides will give us p is equal to positive negative 7. To check, let us substitute 7 to the given equation, p squared minus 49. This would be 49 minus 49 is equal to 0. When p is equal to negative 7, to substitute negative 7 to the variable p, I would be having negative 7 squared, and it would result to 49 minus 49 is equal to 0. So this becomes 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, the solutions are 7 and negative 7 for the equation p squared minus 49 is equal to 0. For example 3, let's say the given is n squared minus 16 is equal to negative 16. Let us first transpose the negative 16 here to the right side of the equation, making it positive 16. So to simplify, I would be having n squared is equal to 0. Getting the square root of both sides of the equation, we can have n is equal to 0. To check, let us substitute 0 to the variable n, and that would be 0 squared minus 16 is equal to negative 16. And it would result to negative 16 is equal to negative 16. Therefore, the solution of the equation n squared minus 16 is equal to negative 16 is n is equal to 0. For our last example, let's say we have 2s squared is equal to 50. So to solve this equation, we can divide both sides of the equation by 2 so that we can cancel this, giving us s squared is equal to 25. Taking the square root of both sides of the equation, it would give us s is equal to positive and negative 5. To check, we can substitute 5 to the given equation. So that would give you 2 times 5 squared. 5 squared is 25 times 2, that would give you 50. When s is equal to negative 5, this would give you negative 5 squared. That would be 25 times 2, so that would be 50 is equal to 50. Therefore, we can say that the solutions of 2s squared is equal to 50 are s is equal to 5 and s is equal to negative 5.